Looking to build wealth in 2025? Here are 5 high-potential business ideas that can make you rich this year. Idea number 1. AI content automation. AI is revolutionizing content creation. Businesses need AI-powered blogs, social media, and ad creatives. A content automation agency using AI tools like ChatGPT and Runway ML can make $10,000 or more per month. Imagine running a business where AI does most of the work while you scale profits. Idea number 2. Digital product sales. Instead of selling time, sell knowledge. Ebooks, courses, and digital assets have high profit margins and generate passive income. The best part? Once you create it, you can sell it an unlimited number of times with zero extra work. Idea number 3. High-ticket consulting. Companies will pay thousands for AI automation, marketing, and online business strategies. If you have expertise, package it into a high-ticket consulting service. Charging $5,000 or more per client means you only need a few clients to make 6 figures. Idea number 4. Niche subscription service. A membership-based business, like a paid community, exclusive AI tools, or a digital coaching program, can generate recurring revenue. Imagine getting paid monthly without constantly chasing new customers. Idea number 5. YouTube automation channel. YouTube is a goldmine. AI tools can help automate video creation, allowing you to scale without showing your face. YouTube channels can be sold for 6 figures once monetized. Which business idea excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Hustle Mind for more insights.